Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to set up Bilingual Keyboard on your iOS 18. So let's open settings, and then you want to scroll down to select general section. Now let's find keyboard, and at the top tap on your keyboards. As you can see, here's your list of your keyboards, and now you want to select, you want to tap any language that is your primary language that you're going to use for your bilingual keyboard. I'll go with English, for example, and below you will see Add Language button. Let's press it, and from this list you want to select a specific language that you want to set up for your bilingual keyboard. I'll go with Spanish, for example, and also below you will see options to choose keyboard layout. So select one of these. And now that you have created your pair of bilingual keyboard, I'm gonna go to any application that uses my keyboards. For me, it's Notes, for example, and how to use it in practical terms while you type. So you will see on this space bar, you will see a little abbreviation. In my case, it's English and Spanish, and that indicates basically that both languages are active. So simply start typing in either language, and if you type in one language, it will predict the first language, and if you immediately follow with another words but in the other language, it will switch its dictionary to another language without need to hit this globe icon to choose other language. So I think that it's pretty clear, and I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.